Hi, my name is Rosemary Ziavo. I am a student at Rasmussen College. I am going to be making a presentation about nonverbal communication. I'm going to be looking at 4 pictures, and by looking at them, I'm going to try and deduce what they are communicating. Let's go. Picture number 1. The man is taking off his hat with his right hand and is rubbing his exposed hair with his left hand. There is sunlight. This suggests that it might be a hot day and he is perhaps lifting the hat to wipe off the sweat. Taking off the hat might also mean that he's from a culture where men take off their hats when they talk to other people, especially those they respect. He seems to be balding and he might be ashamed of it, and the left hand might be trying to cover the baldness. The smile indicates that the man is happy. Not looking directly at the camera suggests that he's oblivious of the camera or the cameraman and is focused on the source of his happiness, which could be another person. He has a button stick hanging from his waist, which suggests that he might be from work. A button stick and formal clothing suggests that he might be a security guard. So again, taking off his hat might mean that could be a sign of actually him being tired. Picture number 2. The man is wearing gumboots and a helmet with a torch attached. He is standing on a railway line and is leaning on the oar cart. All this suggests that he's at work and he is a mine worker and is proud of his job. He is posing for the picture with one arm leaning on the oar cart and another on his waist, seemingly relaxed. He's looking directly at the camera with a smile, suggesting that he's content and he is fine with having his picture taken. He does not look tired and dirty, indicating that the picture was taken at the beginning of the shift or before the beginning of the shift. The bucket on the ground in front of him looks like a cooler box that could be holding his lunch. It seems clean, suggesting that he has not yet eaten food inside. Picture number 3. On picture number 3, we see a woman who looks tired but determined. Her eyes are squinted, brows are creased, and her mouth is tightly shut. She is not looking at the camera. She seems oblivious to it and might be looking at the work she has to do. She seems to be consumed by her thoughts regarding the work she has to do. She has her hand at her back, supporting her back, which suggests that she might be achy, maybe as a result of working, working hard. She seems hot and sweaty with flat nostrils, indicating that it is hot and she is tired. The intense look on her face suggests that she is overwhelmed by the work she has to do. It looks like not finishing the work is not an option for her. She has to do it. Her clothing is loose. It looks like cotton material, suggesting that she needs comfort for her work, which involves physical exertion. Her hair is unkempt. She looks disheveled, which suggests that clothing and being clean is not important to her at this moment. She has more pressing issues to attend to, like the amount of work she has to do. Picture number 4. The picture depicts 3 women. The younger woman, who's the one in the front, has a reactive pose. She seems to be backing away, folded arm and another Close to her chest is a defensive and protective stance. She is physically withdrawing from what she's afraid of, which is probably something that is in front of her. Her eyes are looking intently at the camera and the source of her fear, yet her body is turned away, portraying worry, mistrust, and uncertainty. She seems to be processing something unfamiliar and scary to her. The older woman behind her is looking intently at the source of the younger woman's fear and has her hand on her shoulder, which is a comforting gesture, communicating that she's here for her. The other woman, one who's on her side with her mouth open, has her hand on her shoulder for support too. She, however, does seem to be worried. She, however, does not seem to be worried. She seems to be encouraging her to go for it, as things will turn okay. What she seems to be saying to her. This communicates that she might have gone through the same process in the past and is reassuring her that, I understand your fear, but it's going to be okay. Thank you for taking time to listen to my presentation. This is the end of it. Thank you.